Okay, next up we are going to be doing the demonstration of our 3D bath bomb mold, and this is our Christmas hot cocoa mug. It consists of a bottom plate, an outside shell, and a top plunger. It's got the little candy cane sitting inside of there, little snowflake design on the cup itself. Very, very cute. All right, so put your plate on the bottom and stick your shell over the top of that. Start to fill loosely. Give it some shakes. All right, take our top plunger with our design and turn it over. Stick it on top of your mold. Give some pushes. All right, tap, tap, tap around the outside shell. Taps on the top plunger. Remember, this is where the designs are. So if you want to give a couple of extra really good whacks to try to loosen up all that around your details, go ahead. Turn it over and some taps on the bottom plate. Straight up and off with our bottom plate. Push up on the bottom to get this out of the shell. Grab your cardboard, put it on the top, and turn it over. Very, very gently now. We want to lift straight up and off with our plunger. Go nice and slow. Oh my goodness, the cuteness. Look at this. How cute. Oh my goodness, that's cute as hell. Oh goodness, look at that. You could paint that and get so creative with this. That's the thickness. Look at that. Your Christmas mug with your candy cane in there. That's fabulous. All right, you guys, that's going to do it for this video. So if you would like to purchase this mold or any of the other molds that we have for sale, you can do so by visiting soap-chef.com.